Okay, so that's the general settings done of the canvas theme. The next thing we're going to do is move on to the general styling option. So again, you'll be logged in on the canvas here, settings. You've got general settings, which we've just completed. Go on to general styling there, click on that. And this is where you're going to style the theme depending on what sort of design you want to create. So as you can see, it's just a blank there. We've got the logo uploaded and on the website. So we're going to use some colours. We're going to use the grey of the graphic and the logo, and we're going to use the blue of the text. So background colour of the website. Let's try and choose a background colour of the website now. So this is depending on your style. You can choose the colours yourself, but I'm going to go through and set up this website as an example. So the background colour, I can have any colour I wanted. If I look at the logo, I'll just choose the colour here a moment. It's kind of like that grey, and I want the hex colour, the hex code, which is that. So I'll paste that in there and then click on Save Changes, and you'll see the background colour has turned a grey. Don't worry about that for now. You can also use the background image as well instead. So I could literally just click on upload files, select the background image. I'll probably use like a tile, like so. Click on use image as background colour, and I'd repeat that, and the position would probably be top center. Let's just save the changes and see what that looks like now. And there you go, you can see I've got a background image at the back of there. I won't bother with that though. Just going to stick to the grey colour. So if you're going to use a background image, you can upload it there, and then you'll go through the settings here to see what it looks like. Remember to always click on Save Changes, and you can preview the site by just right clicking and then refreshing. So we've got the grey background colour, the top border. This is the border for the top of the site. If we have a box layout, which we'll get through that. Link colour, at the moment it's not set, so they're going to choose the link colour as the blue. It's always best if you try and keep a link colour as sort of blue colour, because people associate links as blue and underlined. So choose a link colour, paste the hex code for the colour there, click on Save Changes. There you go, so the link's a nice blue colour now. And of course they want the hover colour, and the hover colour, I think I'll use that background colour. So I'd select my colour, paste it in there. Button colour, I'd use the same as the link colour. Trying to keep everything in. I've got three colours here. I've got blue, white and a grey colour, so that's all I'm going to use. You probably only need three colours really to go through. So I think cover colour's been set. The button colour, this will be the buttons on your website. And then the button hover colour again, we'll choose the same as the link hover. Just copy that, paste that in there. General border colours, we'll leave those for now. Click on Save Changes, and you're going to see much happening at the moment. That's the button, see, it's nice blue, and then when I hover over it, it goes a grey. And then in the next lot of stuff, you can see that you can choose the typography of your website, and you can choose the size of the typography. This is a general text font style, and you can also, there's quite a few font styles in there. You can go through and pick one that you think would suit the website. Now let's say for instance a general text font style. Let's try Open Sans. I'll click on Open Sans. If I click Save Changes there, you can see that the text has changed, and this is general text, so as in navigation here, that you've got navigation font has changed on that one. And you've got the H1 font style, which is the headings, the H1, H2, and you can go through and change all those as well. Choose what you want and what colour would you'd like the headings. And once you've gone through all those and changed all those, you're going to click on Save Changes, and everything will fall into place. So as you can see, it's a bit grey at the moment, but I'll show you what we can do with that in the next video tutorial, which is where we're going to move on to the layout section of Canvas.